My name is Nick Mason, Principal Solutions Engineer here at Blameless, and something looks off. I need to start an incident. Blameless is here to help kickstart your incident management process. You may be using Slack or Microsoft Teams, and in this case, I'm using Slack, and this is exactly where I go to start or join an incident. I'm here starting an incident manually after getting eyes on the problem, but Blameless can also automatically initiate an incident in response to an alert or from an SLO error budget being depleted. Let's run /blameless in Slack to get started. I'm seeing a lot of API errors, so we'll call this incident API gateway is down, and it's causing customers to have problems at the payment step in our checkout process. So let's label this as a customer incident sev1. I've got a lot of options from here. I'm adding the impacted services from my paging tool. I also need to fill out other important data points like the number of customers impacted, customer names, and which regions around the world are affected. These are all custom fields that you can program Blameless to display for your incident responders dependent on their role or the incident type. Custom fields like these help with standardization, but they also make it possible to trigger all sorts of workflows and automated messaging when they're attached to an incident. Let's get this started. Blameless will automate my incident management setup by establishing an incident channel, spinning up a Zoom bridge, communicating out to the right stakeholders, bringing needed team members into the incident channel, and establishing a playbook to help me and the team resolve this incident faster. Incidents are always dynamic, and we need to be able to react to new information and change our tactics on the fly. For instance, I just found out that a large number of my EMEA customers are impacted, and I am required by GDPR regulations to notify all of my EMEA customers when we have a sev1 incident. I'm going to run another Slack command, /blameless add tags, and this pulls up an extended list of data points I have programmed Blameless to prompt our team for when a customer incident is started. I'm going to add the EMEA tag, and with that, Blameless automatically sends an email to all of my EMEA customers, notifies our internal executive leadership via Slack, and gives my team in our Slack channel a templatized set of instructions they need to follow now that GDPR protocol is required. So with that, my response team has their marching orders. Blameless is going to keep everyone moving towards resolution, but I want to spend some time on what comes after we resolve this incident. If I take a look at my incident bookmarks in this Slack channel, I see a link to our retrospective that's been automatically created. All the information from this incident's timeline, the tags I added, plus a lot more. There are follow-up actions I've created for the engineering team that are going to be pushed into Jira when we're done here. We've got timestamps or highlights that Blameless automatically curated for me within the retro so that we can save time. The Blameless retrospective can be customized to fit the needs of your team. Whether you want to conduct your postmortems in Blameless or you prefer to use a tool like Google Docs, we got you covered. Custom questions can also be applied as a preset to help develop standards, while live commenting allows multiple team members to work on completing the retro together in real time. As my team completes each step of our response process, Blameless is quietly connecting the dots in the background. All of these custom questions my team answered during their retro flow into our incident analytics we call reliability insights. The same is true for every other data point collected by Blameless, which sets me up to start reading between the lines of my team's operational performance. I can use reliability insights to identify where my team is spending the most time and money. I can monitor which on-call teams are the most overtaxed, and I can even analyze reoccurring issues and themes from past incidents. There you go, incident response in Blameless. We built Blameless from a pain that our founders experienced firsthand, one in which you probably experience day in and day out. If you want to nerd out and have a deeper dive into Blameless, feel free to reach out to us and I'll be happy to set you up with a personalized demo. I'll see you over there.